Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Thotakura Pappu. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 bunch of fresh amaranth leaves, 1 cup of split pigeon peas, also known as tur dal, and a few basic spices like turmeric, chili powder, and salt. Make sure to wash and chop your amaranth leaves well, and soak your tur dal for about 30 minutes before you begin cooking. Now, let's get cooking. In a pressure cooker, combine your soaked tur dal, the chopped amaranth leaves, and about 2 cups of water. Add 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 slit green chilies, and 1 medium-sized chopped tomato. Close the lid and cook for 3 to 4 whistles. This ensures the dal becomes perfectly soft and mushy, ready for the next step. The tempering is crucial for that authentic flavor. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a small pan. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and 2 dried red chilies. Let them splutter, then add 2 cloves of minced garlic and a few fresh curry leaves. Sauté for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Immediately pour this aromatic tempering over your cooked Thotakura Pappu. Almost there, gently mash the cooked dal and greens with a ladle to get a smooth, creamy consistency. Now, season with salt to your preference and add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice for a bright finish. Give it a good stir. Your delicious Thotakura Pappu is ready. Serve it hot with steamed rice, roti, or even a simple flatbread for a comforting and nutritious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.